Oh, well, I was hoping you'd say no, but...
I was just about to say no.
No, I wasn't concerned about you saying no, I was concerned about them saying no. I was hoping they'd say no. But they didn't. So, sing again, son.
I was hoping you said no.
Do you know what this tune's called? Goes.
One should have started last time.
Yeah. Don't get you can be replaced. Actually, no, he couldn't.
Definitely not, mate.
I wouldn't know what tune I'm doing next. All right.
Let me see some hands. Come on, put your hands together. Come on. Na 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 na. Yeah. Oh, you know I brought it on myself. I don't know blame to no one else. And now I realize I can't get over you. Try my very best, I just can't find happiness. And now I realize I just can't get over you. It makes me know, oh, why thinking of you makes me cry. I guess you'll always be apart, somewhere deep in my heart. Now it's hard to find that I can't get over you. I've got to lose myself in song, playing games, getting strong. just don't know what it is. I just can't get over you. Baby, I don't know what it is. I just can't get over you. Yeah, come on. Baby, I don't know what it is. I can't get over you. Thank you.
Nice one, Kenny. Yeah, man. Here we go now, yeah.
Thank you. Technically the sax player, but on the sax.
Yeah. Okay. You know, we saw how can such a